Can you see the light changing? Anyway, I'm vlogging again. Hi, I'm back. Hopefully I don't stop this time. I feel like I've been on and off of YouTube for so many years now, but I've never been consistent for an extended period of time. Also, there's a lot of exciting things happening, hopefully, in my life soon. Basically, I'm done being an au pair, but I'm still in America. But I'm gonna do a visa exchange. The lighting's gonna keep on changing. Great. I'm gonna do a visa exchange, and basically, I'm trying to buy a car so that I can travel throughout the United States but live in the car, do like van life kind of. Anyway, let's go to the beach. I gotta order my Uber. Hi. That's the first order of business. We're gonna order an Uber to go to where the trolley stop is. Then we're gonna take a trolley to the beach. I'm so ready to go swim. Anyway, I know the wind is pretty bad, so I don't know if you can hear me. There's also someone talking pretty loud right there. But that was like an hour ride. And in a car, it's usually like 40 minutes, so it's not that bad. Anyway, let's go to the beach. It's really hot, so me walking back and forth for a cute clip better be worth it. This away so we can film. Look how pretty that is, guys. Put it upside down because I want to dry myself with this side later, and I don't want to be full of wet seams. And we gotta strap up. Actually, I think I need to do this in the water. Those are the cars that can drive on water. Isn't that crazy? I've seen those all over TikTok. I'm gonna listen to some music and chill. I've been here for like 2 hours, but I'm sweating so much. The heat is not, it's not the vibe today. Anyway, when I was swimming, there were dolphins right in front of me, but I didn't record that. But that was pretty cool. I'm gonna go get food. Not that hard. Look how pretty that is. We're waiting for the light. Deciding if I want to go to Salt Cracker Fish or if I want to go to Krabby's. I just had to ask someone which restaurant is cheaper, and they said Krabby's. So we're gonna go to Krabby's. Hopefully I can go in like this, because otherwise I need to put my clothes on my wet swimsuit. But I need to eat. I have a headache again. I wanted to sit outside in the shade, but they wouldn't let me. So I need to go to the rooftop. Can I have a strawberry cream?
You want whipped cream with a cherry on top?
Just
This is like cornmeal, there's cheese inside, kind of like oatmeal.
oh. Can I have the shrimp also?
Oh, of course.
Found it. Now I need to go pee at Publix because I'm gonna walk home. I'm not gonna get an Uber because my phone's gonna die, and then I won't be able to pay the Uber. So it is 6:30 right now. Almost at the light, but you know the song "Take a Walk, Take a Walk." It's stuck in my head because this is how I imagine myself the whole time. See up there on that little hill is where the light is. Update. I'm on the little hill, but I can't see the light. And my phone died! So no more music. Because of where the sun is, I'm gonna guess it's like 7 or 6:50. 6:57. But I'll let you know when I'm home what time it is. At last I see the light. Now we have to turn left and walk another 20 minutes. Push the button. I was just about to illegally cross this light because there were no cars, and then a cop went to the stoplight. So now I have to wait. I need to be a civilized citizen. Totally fucking with you. I'm walking. There's no cars coming left or right, so I'm crossing the road, hoping not to die. It is 7:42. Good dealership. Hulle het gesê hulle kan ook alles vir my so doen. Dit is actual boxe aan die agterkant, so as jy dit opsit. But I got a car to get there, like.
Yeah, to do like